discuss is LCOE. This will basically provide you with your kilowatt hour rating over the lifetime of the project. So what you'll be paying per kilowatt hour over the lifetime of the project, with the project expenses, and then of course your generation capacity worked into it. But I'll show you guys that one now. The ones that have to do with profitability are ROI, IRR, and NPV. The other metrics you'll be discussing is CF, PR, and specific yield. These have to do with performance metrics.
So the first one I want to discuss is LCOE. So this is levelized cost of energy. Your LCOE is basically the total lifetime costs of the project, including CAPEX plus OPEX plus financing, over total lifetime energy production in kilowatt hours and OPEX. So CAPEX is capital expenditure. This is initial system costs. All right. OPEX is operating expenses. All right. So operating expenses as well as maintenance costs. So ROI is net profit divided by total investment. Net profit definition in this case, we'd do it with cumulative energy savings plus incentives plus revenue, and the deductions being CAPEX and OPEX. All right. And then the total investment would be the CAPEX plus the financing used. All right. One I want to discuss is payback period. Now, payback period is the CAPEX divided by the annual net cash inflows. All right, so annual net cash inflows includes annual energy savings plus revenue, and then you deduct the OPEX. The next one up is NPV. All right, so the net present value is basically the summation between the year that the project or the years that the project runs for. This N value here would normally be between 20 and 25 years for a solar farm. CF is the cash flows in year T. So say these will be the cash inflows in year 3, year 4, year 21, whatever the case may be. 1 plus the discount rate, R is the discount rate over years, complex in its own. But remember, when we're using net present value, there will be a calculation on this R value, which is 9 and 12, and then you deduct the CAPEX over here. All right, so that's NPV. So guys, the next one up is IRR. Now in the formula for IRR, it is basically a similar equation to NPV, but you insert the IRR. You had a bracket with R and T, and you basically just replace that with IRR and then solve your IRR, because your IRR is when your net present value is at 0. All right. Okay, so CF stands for capacity factor. Your capacity factor